We cruised around Pulau SIBU and Pulau TINGGI, October 2019. Here you can see the cruising grounds we took. On the way around we saw some sights which had included a sort of a fishing platform, a really expensive looking one that was, I was told, was owned by a Malaysian sultan. So we continued to cruise around the Pulau SIBU group, and on the way we took some photos and witnessed a lovely view of a rainbow, and just sat out and enjoyed the cruise down the peninsula of, or up the peninsula of SIBU. And we crossed over the stretch of water between SIBU and TINGGI, and one of the islands in the group of Pulau TINGGI was what we're aiming for, but I've forgotten the name of it. As you can see, it's just beautiful and calm, nice temperature, hardly any wind, and it was an easy sail. Very, very quiet and peaceful. Another 360 panoramic view of the boat sliding across the calm, smooth waters. So you can see I have an unusual setup with windows or hatches on the front that we can raise for cooler air in the cabin, and I wished I could remember the names of all of these islands, but it just doesn't help to record the video or produce a video 12 months after you've been there. If you've ever gone cruising on a sailing yacht or a sailing catamaran, one of the many pleasures is just sit back, relax and do nothing on a calm, beautiful day. Obviously if the wind was up you would put the sails up and sail, but you don't get yourself all tied up over not being able to sail. We stopped off on Pulau SIBU in one of the local villages. It was clean and tidy and very well kept, and we had lunch. We had fried rice for lunch, and also on the island was a medical clinic, which surprised me anyway. They had recycle bins on this island, or a number of the islands around the area, so we did collect a bit of rubbish and put it in the recycle bins on one of the islands that we stopped at. This actual island caught our eye, and we stopped and anchored, and we went onto the beach and had a swim and a wander around the sandy beach and just chilled out. It was a lovely, lovely time. One of the crew members found a path up to the hill, and he walked up and waved at us, and we took a photograph of him. Because there was no wind and a beautiful calm waters, I was able to spend more time with the camera, and I took a 360 view of the surrounding islands around the boat as we cruised. There was plenty of sunshine and peace and quiet. It was just beautiful. The video was produced by myself, of course, and we headed down south towards a little island called Pulau SIBU, and again this was a lovely spot as well. That's the end of another exciting video.